Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to access your store settings in Hostinger Website Builder. This is the homepage of my website in Hostinger Website Builder. And to access my store settings, just go to Store Manager. And from this left side menu, click on Store Settings. As you can see, you can access your store details like your currency, store name, and measurement system. You can also edit your company information, payments, shipping, checkout, emails, taxes, and invoices. And this is how to access your store settings in Hostinger Website Builder. Before you go, I have something special for you. I have two free online video courses for you. The first one is about Hostinger hosting and WordPress managing, and the second one shows you how to use Hostinger Website Builder to make basic websites or online shops. You can get them both for free just by clicking the link in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any question, leave a comment below.